This 5-minute solution will show you how to edit a Facebook page post. So if you uploaded or published a post on your Facebook page and now you want to edit the post, follow these easy steps. First of all, we need to switch to the Facebook page. So tap on menu and tap on this arrow icon, and now tap on the page, and now go to your page profile and scroll down and search for the post that you want to edit. For example, let's edit this post. So tapping on this three dot and tapping on edit post. And now you can edit your post caption here. If you want to change this post privacy or visibility, then tap on this public. You have to tap on. Okay, first of all, let's add a photo to this post. To do that, tap on this photo, and now you can select a photo from your phone gallery to add into the post. And if you want to remove a photo from this post, simply tap on the photo, and here you will get this cross icon. Just tap on this cross icon to remove any photo. And you can also edit or add caption for each photos. Now tap on done. You can also change these post layout. So tap on choose layout, and here you can select any layout. Now if you want to tag someone, tap on tag, and now you will be able to easily tag someone to this post. And now tap on save. And this is how we can edit a post. And tap on this three dot, and if you want to edit comment privacy of this post, then tap on who can comment on this post. And from here you can easily change your post comment privacy. So this is how we can actually edit a post on Facebook page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.